Welcome guys. On this video I'm going to show you how to enable huge pages on your device. So what exactly is huge pages? Now let me show you what huge pages are and also what might interest you to enable huge pages. Now when you click on your mining, right, it actually displays an option that says huge pages. You notice mine says huge pages enabled, right? And then you notice the thread that I'm mining with is actually 2 core out of 4 threads, right? Now some people actually use higher or more. This is actually what is going to increase your mining hash rate, which is your HS, how your hash rate are. Now if you want to increase or enable your huge pages, follow these steps in this video. Let me close this mining because I just want to make this tutorial for you guys so that it will be very quick. So the first thing you do to enter in to enable your huge pages is to type in sec pool.msc, secpool.msc, not pool. So you type that and then you hit enter. It's going to bring you to this area. Next, you need to go to the local policy. You notice where it says local policy. Click on the drop down and you notice where it says user right and assessment. You click on that. So the user right and assessment is going to take you to this area. Now you need to scroll down and you are going to notice where it says lock pages in memory. So go ahead and scroll down to lock pages in memory and then you double click on that to have it open. Next, you need to add user. I'm actually okay with this because I already have this, but let me go ahead and show you guys. So you click on add users, right? Now under this area you click on advanced right here. Then you are going to notice where it says find right here. You click on find. Now under this area you are going to select either administrator or you say everybody, or you just choose on the particular name of your PC. But if you want it to be everybody on this PC, you can choose everyone right here. This is going to make it and assign it to everyone, but I already have that. So once you click on this, you are going to hit OK. Once you hit OK, it's going to appear on this area. You can notice I actually did that for everyone. You can also do it for administrator. Now you click on OK. So when you click on OK, you can now open your mining and it's going to show you huge pages enabled. And also you can also right click on it and then you do run as admin instead of just clicking on open or double clicking on it. You do run as an admin. Then it's going to show that huge pages is enabled. Once it shows that, you can start mining.